Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Weiman hardwood floor polish and restorer. So this is going to be a product overview and I'll show you how well this works. So you can see my wood floors, they're already dated and dull looking, scratched up. You can see all that. So I'm going to use the product and then I'll show you how to use it and then how it looks afterwards. So I'm going to place this on this dirty floor. I already took off the seal from here. So all you do, you lift up the knob and then you just spread it around the whole floor. So you just wipe it in a zigzag motion. And you can already see the shine is coming through. So you can see how we already did most of the floor, and right in the middle, you can see the difference, how it's shiny in the front of the stairs, and then in the middle is dull. And then we're still applying more. It is recommended if you really want to spread it out evenly to do it by hand versus with the mop that they say on the instructions. So this is how the floor looks now. This is 2 coats and we waited 45 minutes per coat. The floors look brand new again, nice and shiny. It has all the color. This product works very well. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great hardwood polish and a restorer. I like how easy it is to apply and it dries quickly and there's no smells to it. So this is a great buy.